Hello everybody, it's the Black Bonsai guy, and today I am back to check up on the bees. Let me pause and flip around. Alright, I am back. And as you can see, you see bees constantly going in and going out. What they're doing is they are coming home after a long day of foraging and looking for pollen and nectar, and they're bringing that pollen and nectar back, and they are spitting it into the mouths of their sister bees, and their sister bees are going to go and catalog that pollen and nectar. I won't get too close because I got a whole bunch of people coming home and I don't want to block them. So I'll get low. I got one buzzing by my face. Let me pause. So I gotta continue this at a far distance because everybody's coming home, and you know, bees, just like humans, they have bad days too. So they're swarming right now and doing the last little bit of work before they go to bed. So I just wanted to do this quick video to give everybody an update. I have those two boards over, where's my finger? Over here. I got those two boards on the side of it just to block that afternoon sun. This is a relatively young hive, and the younger they are, you know, their wings are not as developed yet, you know, holistically looking at the hive, so they can't cool it off and keep it warm like a more mature hive would. So you can see them going in and out. They working. This is where we get the term worker bee from. Those bees, they must work. They're willing to work and they love to work. If they can't get nectar and pollen, they'll just grab anything that they can get their hands on and just bring it back, just so they can exercise their muscle of foraging. Very interesting creatures. But that's it. Just wanted to do this quick update. It's the Black Bonsai guy. I'm out.